Good morning, students. Today we will discuss some of the basic programs of Java. Now see, I have your first program is write a program to input 5 subject marks, then find the total and percentage. So I have taken this package, import java.io.asterisk, and I have taken class percentage. Class name is your percentage. Public static void main string args. I've taken percentage in float because your percentage will come in your decimal form, and other things are 5 subjects marks I have taken in integer. Physics, chemistry, P for physics, C for chemistry, M for maths, E for English, H for Hindi, and T is for total. Now first we will print the statement for entering the 5 subject marks. Enter 5 subject marks. Scanner class we have taken for taking the input of 5 subject marks. Scanner sc is equal to new scanner system.in. This is the way of taking the input. Now p is equal to sc dot next int. C is equal to sc dot next int, and in this way we have taken the input of 5 subject. Now next is your total. You know how to calculate the total. We will just add the 5 subject marks. Total will be calculated. Now percentage T slash 500.0 into 100.0. This we have taken in decimal form because your percentage is in floating point. If you want your value to come in floating point, you will just take the value in decimal form, as you know the concept of implicit typecasting. Now we will print system.out.println total plus T. Here your total marks will get printed. System.out.println percentage we have taken in double quotes. This will print the message plus PER and your bracket closed. Now next program is you have to input the price of a product, and you have to give 10% discount and 4% tax on the product. So how we will do this program? Import java.io.star semicolon asterisk class product. I have taken the class name product, public static void main string args. Now I have taken integer price, discount, tax, and your final price, FP for final price. Now system.out.println, I have taken the statement, enter the price. Scanner class we are using for taking the input because we have to take the input of the price. Here we have taken the P variable for that, sc.next int. Now discount, as you know, it is 10%. I have already given in the question. So P into 10 slash 100. This will calculate your discount. Tax we will calculate on price only. We will give the tax P into 4 upon 100. 4% is your tax. The final price is P minus D plus T. Now we will print system.out.println discount plus D, tax plus T, price P, and your final price plus FP. Here it will print all the values. Thank you, students.